Suffering is a blessing. Naniniwala ba kayo dun? Well, context is, story time lang. Yung bunso ko kasi, sa Catholic school nag-aaral. So, may meeting ng parents last Saturday. So, since holistic yung pag-approach ng school, nagkaroon ng mass. Na nagkataon na yung pare yung pare na nag-mass is director ng school. So, sa homily niya, actually hindi rin siya prepared, so freestyle din yung homily. Sa homily niya, kinolab niya ang divine intervention at human intervention. Diba? So, isa sa mga nasabi niya na pagsasamahin na daw ang GMRC saka theology subject nila. Kasi ang GMRC is human intervention and ang religion or yung theology subject nila is divine intervention. So, may mga bagay-bagay kasi na tama sa paningin ng tao, pero mali when it comes to religion. So, parang it's better that they have to mix both subjects para nga daw hindi lang makatao yung estudyante, kundi maka-Diyos din. Which is, pag iniisip ko, tama naman din. It go hand in hand eh. Ngayon, may binigay siyang example. Sabi niya, may businessman, super rich, as in super duper rich na talagang lahat ng gusto nakukuha kasi nga mayaman na. But then, biglang boom, naging richest around. Sa GMRC, syempre sympathy ka, empathy ka sa tao, sasabihin mo na, ay, kawawa naman, let me help you, blah, 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 blah. But in human intervention, that businessman forgot how to pray, who forgot how to say thank you to the Lord, will learn how to bend his knees again. Which is, for me, parang yeah, minsan kasi whenever na nakukuha na natin yung mga gusto natin, pray tayo ng pray, di ba? I want this, gusto ko to, sana makuha ko to. But when nakuha na natin yung mga wishes natin na pinag-pray natin kay God, alam mo yung nakakalimutan natin mag-thank you. And we just keep asking, asking, asking. Ayun nga yung divine intervention dun is to learn or relearn how to bend your knees again. Pa kung kanino man yung pinipraise ng Lord or pinipraise ng God. So, ayun lang naman ang chika. So, para sa akin, suffering is good, oo. Kasi for you to relearn yung mga bagay na kailangan mong matutunan ulit. Kasi baka may mga nakalimutan ka nga. Suffering is also good para matuto ka magpakumbaba, hindi puro ano ka lang, mayabang, diba? So, whenever na you reach your goals, whenever na nakuha mo yung mga bagay-bagay na pinag-pray mo, don't forget to bend your knees to say thank you. Ay, ayun lang. So, that's all for me. Chika lang. Ayaw kong sabihin yung isang word kasi, diba? But then, bye-bye.